So despite the very best of intentions, for lots of students, revisions can be overwhelming. Maybe they've left it a bit too late, maybe their notes are in disarray, maybe their notes are hard to read. Whatever the reason, it can be very difficult to get revising. However, there is a brilliant guide to a 7-day revision plan available from Collins. Fantastic. It takes the whole course and condenses it into bite-sized chunks that can be studied in the space of a week. It's only a slim book. There's one for each and every topic, but they are jam-packed full of the basic information needed to pass the exams. They start, each one does, with a revision planner. The subjects are in 30 to 50 minute slots, and there's about 3.5 hours worth each day. There's space to write down it's been done, the date, the time, and it's been completed. And then you move on to the topics. Couple of pages, you've learned everything about atoms and the periodic table that you're going to need to know. There's a summary, there's a quick test, and there's some exam practice. The basics are all covered here. And this goes through the entire course. It's really well done. There's graphs, there's pictures, it's colourful, easy to read, accessible, and it absolutely makes sense of the study that's been done over the preceding 2 years for your student. So they don't need to sit there thinking, I don't know where to start, I don't know what to study. It's all there for them along with the revision plan. It of course doesn't replace a 2-year course, but what it does, it condenses it into really manageable information so the basics are absolutely covered. For each test and exam practice, the answers are there in the back, so your child can test themselves and check themselves and make sure they're on track. There's also a really handy glossary that explains all sorts of terms like atom economy and carboxylic acid, so you don't have to explain them to your child yourself. Covers every subject. Here we've got chemistry in a week, maths foundation in a week, higher maths, English language and literature. Combined science gets 2 weeks because it's actually 2 subjects, but you get the idea. It's okay if they've left it a little late. It's okay if their notes are disordered. It's all here, and they really can get through their exams knowing what they need to know. What an absolute genius idea. And I really wish these had been around when I was a student.